Walking for weight loss. 10 tips for losing weight when walking. Regular walking has many possible health advantages, including weight loss. It is also one of the simplest and most cost-effective ways a person can exercise. Many people can walk daily and enjoy the rewards of being healthier. Doctors usually accept that inactivity is a possible cause of multiple preventable diseases, such as heart disease and obesity. While any rise in exercise level would provide advantages, there are certain things that a person can do to increase the amount of fat they burn when exercising. In today's video, we will share with you 10 tips for losing weight when walking. Number 1. Picking up the pace. Like running, swimming, and other types of physical activity, pace makes a difference. A person loses more calories walking faster compared to when walking slower. A study published in Medicine and Science in Sports and Exercise found that as people accelerate their speed, they consume more calories. The study also found that the group of runners weighed less overall than the walkers, indicating that the pace directly influences the number of calories a person burns when exercising. However, increasing the pace does not mean an individual has to sprint. Instead, walking briskly will consume more calories to assist with weight loss. Do you find this video interesting so far? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Number 2. Wearing a weighted vest. Adding more weight to an exercise will consume more calories. Heavier people burn more calories because their muscles need more energy to do the same activity as someone who is not heavy. Wearing a weighted jacket while walking helps a person's body to work harder while walking. One research concluded that people who walked 2.5 miles per hour (mph) on a flat surface while wearing a weighted vest that weighed 15% of their weight burned 12% more calories compared to a person who did not wear a vest. An individual wearing a weighted belt that accounted for 10% of their body weight and walked at the same speed on a gradient of 5 to 10% consumed an average of 13% more calories. While a weighted vest can help to burn extra calories, a person should not wear ankle or wrist weights or hold weights in their hands. Both activities can contribute to muscle imbalance and injury. However, a person should always be careful when wearing a weighted jacket. As for every new workout, a person can talk to his or her doctor before wearing a weighted jacket. People with back or neck issues should not wear a weighted vest. People who can comfortably wear a weighted vest are expected to see an increase in the number of calories they burn. Number 3. Walking uphill. An individual can walk uphill regularly to help increase the calorie burn. For others, this may mean increasing the gradient of the treadmill, while some may choose to add more hills into their daily walking routine. An individual should try to walk up hills, stairs, or slopes 2 or 3 days a week. Number 4. Focusing on form and posture. When it comes to walking, it's important to retain shape and stance. A person can walk in such a manner that they look ahead at all times, as this tends to improve the pace that a person can walk, as well as to enlarge their footsteps. While walking, a person should also concentrate on tightening up their abdominal muscles and glutes. People can do this for the whole walk or brief periods. This strategy can help an individual develop the stamina to keep them away from injuries so that they can resume their walking program. Number 5. Incorporating resistance training intervals. To help consume more calories and increase the development of new muscles, a person may attempt to add resistance to training while walking. Some of the activities to try to include are squats, push-ups, burpees, and tricep dips. Quick workout cycles can help to improve a person's heart rate and develop muscles. They can even make the walking routine more enjoyable. Number 6. Power walking in intervals. Power walking in intervals can be an efficient way for a person to maximize the number of calories they consume when walking. To try power walking in cycles, a person should first walk for around 5 to 10 minutes to warm up, then raise the pace and remain at an uncomfortable yet manageable pace for 10 to 15 seconds before returning to a regular walking pace. An individual can repeat it all the way or for as long as they can do it. Number 7. Doing 3 shorter walks a day. While long walks are nice, shorter, more frequent walks can also offer advantages. Some people may find it much easier to keep up their physical exercise by taking shorter walks during the day instead of taking a much longer walk once a day. Experts agree that taking a walk after each meal would also offer benefits. Number 8. Aiming for more steps each day. Common fitness trackers and pedometers enable users to take 10,000 steps a day, and one report in 2016 confirms that 10,000 steps are optimal. This is only 5 miles of walking. People interested in walking for weight loss should regularly take at least 10,000 steps a day. Some people might also choose to increase their maximum number of steps above that level. However, any steps a person takes above his or her usual regular step count will help them lose weight. Fitness trackers that count steps are an excellent motivation to make people take more steps every day. And if a person cannot take 10,000 steps a day, he or she can set a realistic step target and try to achieve that. People will increase the number of steps they take each day by modifying any of their normal patterns of activity. Tips to do this include: take the stairs instead of the elevator, parking farther away from the entrance at markets, work, or school, walking to lunch, work, training, or some other practice if necessary, and taking walk breaks at work instead of waiting in a lunchroom. Number 9. How calories work. About food in the body, calories are energy units that cause the body to function. Food supplies this energy, some of which the body stores and some of which it consumes. When the body breaks down food, it releases calories as energy. The study reports that muscles burn calories at a rate of 10 to 15 kilocalories per kilogram each day. This is 4.5 to 7 kilocalories per pound per day. Muscle accounts for nearly 20% of overall energy expenditure daily. Body fat accounts for 5% of energy consumption for those with 20% body fat. Those with more muscle tissue have a higher metabolism. This means that they burn more calories and can control their body weight more effectively. Number 10. How many calories should I consume to lose weight? If people wish to lose 1 to 2 pounds a week, they would need a calorie loss of 500 to 1,000 calories a day. People can lose weight by lowering their calorie consumption, but it is also vital that people consume calories from good, nutrient-dense foods. An easy way to minimize calorie consumption and eat a balanced, nutritious diet is to substitute some ingredients for reduced calorie choices. Before gaining weight or increasing strength, either by pace or instinct, a person should talk to his or her doctor or other healthcare provider. An individual should aim to improve the consistency of their walking, as well as the number of miles or steps they take every day. Try to add more speed a couple of days a week with quicker walking or elevated inclines. Will you start walking for weight loss after watching this video? Let us know in the comments section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I can't grow this channel without your support. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy!